How to add friends in Candy Crush Saga. Open Candy Crush Saga. Tap friends at bottom. Here you can add friends tapping add. This will send request to the friend. Also you can invite through link. You can create link and send it to your friend through Facebook, Instagram, Messenger and more. Also you can add Facebook. All your Facebook friends who also play Candy Crush will show up automatically. And that's it. You just add friends in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. Have question, drop them in the comment, hit like if this helped you and subscribe for more quick and fun Candy Crush tips. See you in the next one.